Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open a Paysend account step by step so you can start sending money easily. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the link from the description below to create your account, and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you want to download and install the Paysend app from your App Store or Google Play, and once it's installed, you want to open the app and tap Sign Up. Then from here, all you need to do is enter your phone number and tap continue. Then on this next page, just simply enter your first name, your last name, and your date of birth, then hit continue. After that, provide your address details. That includes your street and house number, apartment number, city and postal code, and once everything's filled out, tap continue again. Now, simply put in your email, then tap continue. Once done, Paysend will send a verification code to your phone, and when you get it, just paste the code into the app and it will automatically take you to the next step. And that's it. Your Paysend account is now created. You'll land on your main dashboard ready to send and receive money. Just don't forget, if you use the promo link or code from the description, your first transfer will be completely free. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.